Good morning, friends. Let us do analysis for today's trading. Let us start with derivatives. Yesterday, the derivatives data were mixed. Bank Nifty closed above max pain level, and max pain level also little bit improved to 20,100. Open interest put call ratio also improved, but marginally. So we can say that data is neutral. Now let us see the where we closed in relation to VWAP. The VWAP was 20,136 and the closing was above it. So this data is positive. So derivatives data are neutral to positive. Max pain and closing is above max pain and VWAP, and open interest put call ratio almost same to previous day. Now let us see the technical side. Let us start with weekly chart. Technical data little bit improved. Weekly RSI closed just above 40, and you can see that weekly ADX is coming down, which suggests there is no great momentum in the weekly chart, but weekly RSI is below 45. That means weekly charts are still in the grip of short people or bears. Now let us see the daily chart. 21 days moving average, which is currently at 20,026. This moving average, the Bank Nifty is consolidating since 2-3 days around this moving average, and today also it gave closing above it. The RSI of daily closed around 52.5, and the ADX is absolutely flat. Because of the flat ADX, we are seeing non-trending movement, sideways volatile movement. Our strength RSI, the daily RSI closed at 52.5 and weekly closed at 40.5, so giving a difference of 12 point. So our strength RSI closed around 64, which is higher than 60. So overall we can say that currently the market is in favor of longs because the strength RSI is above 60. Now let us see the hourly chart. Hourly RSI closed in neutral range around 49.3, and the hourly ADX is also absolutely flat. The important part is, as we discussed since 2 days, the Bank Nifty is taking good support around 200 days 200 point moving average, and the 150 moving average is above 200 moving average. Those who have read the Mark Minervini book, they must know the importance of these two average. 150 average is above 200 moving average and the price is above it, means overall the market is still in the grip of bulls. Now all the four averages which we track, 13, 21, 150 and 200, all four averages are very near to each other. Generally, when these four averages are with each other, we get a trending move anytime soon, and that we will be able to judge when the ADX in the hourly and daily chart gives us some hint. Currently, the hourly RSI in neutral range and the ADX is flat. Now, let us see the smaller time frame, that is 15 minutes moving average. See, the 15 moving average, you can see it. It is just in the above the around the 55. The green is 15 moving average, the red is hourly average. So 15 minute RSI is above hourly RSI, but the hourly RSI is below daily RSI. Daily RSI is blue and the black is weekly RSI. So all these three averages, 15, hourly and daily, are near to each other and looking for a direction. We discussed yesterday that we will get a good up move if Bank Nifty can close above the trend line and the hourly RSI can go above the daily RSI. Unfortunately, in spite of good gap up opening yesterday, hourly RSI was unable to cross above the daily RSI and the closing was also means the candle could not pierce the trend line. Again, at yesterday's closing, the Bank Nifty is back to the trend line. Let us see what happens to in today's trading, because once this trend line gets break, we can expect some good trending moment. Otherwise, we will likely to see the sideways movement. 15-minute ADX is also flat. So in today's trading, in my opinion, things to watch will be Bank Nifty sustains above the trend line or not, which we can say is currently is around 20,350. Hourly RSI able to cross above the daily RSI or not. I will watch for these two things in the technical side. Wish you all happy trading. Thank you.